Hey guys, this is Jmart here. I got a fun special effect that we got for today, and this is for our Halloween haunt. So what we got here is our cabin that we made out of pallets. And inside the cabin, we got the window effect that we're doing from Atmosfx. So it's a bewitched digital decorating projection that we do. So you only need three things to make this work. You get a illusion cloth, and they do sell those on Atmosfx, but they also have material that works great on Amazon that's a little bit cheaper. So I'll include a link to that. And then also you need a projector, and I use a mini projector, and I'll include in my link the projector that I use. Go to check out Atmosfx and see their digital decorating material that they have. They got tons of stuff out there. It's really fun, all the options that they have. Click on the description and I'll have all that information there. And then if you haven't already, make sure to subscribe and hit that like button if you like this type of material. Thanks, guys, and we'll see you on the next one.